Welcome back. If you are using the ChatGPT Plus account, you're going to see an element here on the left side menu that says Explore GPTs. If you click this element, you're going to see GPTs open up. GPTs are specially programmed elements of ChatGPT made by individuals and companies for you to experience ChatGPT in specific ways. And so if you have a specific need in order to use ChatGPT, you can write that need in with some keyword and you can determine if there is a GPT available. And you'll typically see that there's going to be several elements made available by individuals. In some cases, the GPT may not fit your need totally, but one of the ways you can tell if individuals are using the GPT by looking at the chat bubble, and you'll be able to see how many chats have taken place using that specific GPT. So for example, if you type in the word diagrams, you'll see all the GPTs available to help you to create diagrams. You'll then be able to look to the number of people that have used the GPT. And so in some cases, you'll see the GPTs listed by some kind of keyword. But again, if you have a specific use for ChatGPT, it may be beneficial to go to the GPT section to search for what you want to do with ChatGPT and then to determine if someone has programmed a GPT for that use. For example, you'll see a specific GPT here. We can type in our query for the GPT. Typically, the GPT is then programmed to ask you specific questions. You will interact with the GPT according to its parameters, and then the GPT will go about the process of trying to accommodate your request. And so you will see the element has been completed. So again, interacting with the GPTs allow you to go to ChatGPT for a specific use case, and then in some cases, either a programmer or a company has made available their application of ChatGPT for you to be able to use it in that way. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.